Hey mathematicians, it's me back again with another super cool math lesson. Today we're going to talk about dividing fractions, and I'm so excited because I get to show you another really cool tool that helps us learn math. So when you see them, you're definitely going to recognize them. They're called fraction strips, and they're definitely, we have them in our classroom. They're in the math center. I love, love, love these because they can really help us understand fractions, but I also really like them because they're super colorful. I'm going to be using a virtual set of fraction strips. And this site is really cool and it's free to use. So I'll make sure and share the link in the video description for those of you that might want to check it out. Let's get started. I want to start with a pretty simple equation here. I want to do 1 divided by 1/4 equals 4. So before we look at this equation, let's just look at the number 1 here and how it relates to the word whole. What we have to remember is when we're talking about fractions, the number 1 and the word whole are kind of mean the same thing. The word whole, it means that you have something that's whole and it hasn't been broken down into smaller pieces yet, or what we call fractions. It's still whole. So let's see, 1 divided by 1/4 equals 4. How do we know that that's true? Well, let's think about that. If you're thinking that it's because 1/4 fits into one whole exactly 4 times, then you are exactly right. I want to use my virtual fraction strips here to demonstrate how this equation is true. So here's my 1 whole fraction strip, and I'm going to get my 1/4 pieces. And let's count and see how many 1/4 fit into this 1 whole. 1, 2, 3, 4. So yes, this equation, 1 divided by 1/4 equals 4, is absolutely true because 1/4 fits into 1 exactly 4 times. So let's clear that stuff out, and we're going to try another one. Let's do 1/2 divided by 1/6. Now, I could write what I think is the answer here, and we could do it as an equation again, but let's leave it as a problem and see if we can solve it. So what I encourage you to do is, if you think you might be able to solve this on your own, just go ahead and pause the video right here and give it a shot. Okay, so I'm going to get my 1/2 fraction strip, put it right there, and I need to find out how many 1/6 will fit into this 1/2. If we were to divide this 1/2 piece into 1/6, how many would we end up with? Let's see. There's my 1/6 tool, and let's count. 1. Oh, see, I can kind of make a prediction about how many are going to fit here. Let's keep counting. 2 and 3. So 1/6 fits into 1/2 exactly 3 times, meaning 1/2 divided by 1/6 equals 3. All right, let's do another one. I'm going to leave my 1/2 there, and let's do 1/2 divided by 1/8 this time. I am going to get my 1/2 tool, and I'll put it there, and here's my 1/8 tool. Let's see how many fit into 1/2. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 1/2 divided by 1/8 equals 4. 1/8 fits in 1/2 exactly 4 times. All right, I think it's time to do a challenge problem. So remember, challenge problems are a little bit harder. So let's see. I think I would like to try 2/3 divided by 1/6. Again, You can pause it right here to see if you can figure it out. So this problem is definitely a little bit harder. Look, I don't have a 2/3 fraction strip. But you know what I do have is a 1/3. So I'm going to use two of them. Look, now I have 2/3. Well, we need to see how many times 1/6 fits into 2/3. So here's my 1/6 tool. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1/6 fits into 2/3 exactly 4 times. So that was super fun showing you all how to do this. I want you to keep practicing your fractions. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.